Namaskaram. This question is based on equivalent ratios concept from ratios and proportions chapter. Very basic question. One must know how to solve this. Those who have covered ratios and proportions chapter, kindly solve this question and check with the answer. Find B share in 6,300 rupees if A is to B is equal 2 is to 3, B is to C is equal 4 is to 5, C is to D is equal 3 is to 7. Now see, we have B in two ratios, A is to B and B is to C, and these two B's are not equal. Here we have 3, here we have 4. Similarly, we have C in two ratios, B is to C and C is to D. Here we have C5, here we have C3. These two are not equal. Now see, the meaning of this ratio is A is in the form of 2x, B is in the form of 3x. Okay, 2x by 3x, 2 is to 3. Okay, x gets cancelled, their ratio is 2 is to 3. So A and B will be in this form. Here, this is different ratio, right? You will be having B and C in the form of 4y, 5y. Y gets cancelled if you do their ratio. So their ratio will be 4 is to 5. This is another ratio. Here C and D will be in the form of 3z and 7z. When you do their ratio, it will be 3 is to 7. Kindly get this, every ratio has a different variable. Here x, here y, here z, my friends. They are not same. Now from these two ratios we can write 3x is equal 4y. Quantity of b will be same. Here we will be finding a relationship between x and y. Similarly, from these two ratios we can write 5y is equal to 3z. Okay, we will be getting a relationship between y and z. Here x and y. Now after this, sum of the shares is 6,300. Okay, A plus B plus C plus D, their shares is 6,300. Here we have A in terms of x, okay, 2x, B in terms of x, 3x, C is in terms of y, my friends. We have to write y in terms of x, okay, then C will be in terms of x, D in terms of z. Here z we have to write in terms of y, we have to write in terms of x. So z will be in terms of x, okay, so D will be in terms of x. From this we can find out x. Thereafter we will be finding out B share, my friends. See how big is the problem. We have to deal with three variables here, my friends, okay, x, y, z. We have to find out the relationship between x and y and z and x. Okay, I have to convert all of them into one variable and then find out that variable. This is not the wise way to do. Rather than doing in hard way, the previous method, what I am trying to do here is that we have B in two ratios, my friends, and this B is not equal. Here we have multiple of 3, here we have multiple of 4. I am trying to make these two B's equal, my friends. For this, I am multiplying this ratio with 4, okay, and this ratio with 3. 4 into 2 is to 3. 3 into 4 is to 5. You have to multiply this ratio with 4, this ratio with 3, my friends. That's it. Now see, 8 is to 12, 12 is to 15. B is equal. See, 8x, 12x, 12y, 15y. B is equal in both the ratios, right? 12x, 12y, that means x is equal to y. The problem getting simpler here. Instead of y, you can write x. So these two ratios has been scaled up as 8 is to 12, 12 is to 15. Now C is to D is 3 is to 7. We have to make C equal in both the ratios. When we are making C equal in both the ratios, we shouldn't be altering B, my friends. Otherwise, what's the point in making B equal, right? So we shouldn't be altering B. That means we shouldn't be multiplying this ratio with anything. Rather, we should be multiplying this ratio with something so that this value becomes 15. So with what number we have to multiply this ratio? 5, my friends. Okay, 5 into 3 is to 7. Okay, this is 15 is to 35. See, 15 here, 15 here. C equal. So the new ratios are 8 is to 12, 12 is to 15, 15 is to 35. Now see, 8x, 12x, this is 12x, 15x, because x is equal to y, my friends. Okay, let's say 15z, 35z. C is equal in both the ratios, right? Okay, 15x is equal 15z, x is equal z. So we can replace this z with x. Okay. Now see how the problem has been simplified. Okay, x is equal to y is equal z. Okay, 15x, 35x. So from this we can say a is equal to 8x, b is equal to 12x, c is equal to 15x, d is equal to 35x. Now their sum is 6300. All of them are in single variable, my friends. 8x plus 12x plus 15x plus 35x. This is 6300. This is 50, this is 20. Okay, 70x is equal to 6300, x is equal to 6300 by 70. Okay, this is 90. So we want b share. B share is 12x. Okay, 12 into x is 90. This is 1080. So our answer is B. So the learning from this problem is, you can scale up the ratios, scale down the ratios, multiply with any number on both sides, my friends. It doesn't make any difference. And every ratio has unique variable. Here x, here y, here z. In this problem, we made x is equal to y is equal to z by doing this way. You have to do this way to make the problem simpler. Since b is there in two ratios, we are making b equal. C is there in two ratios, we are making c equal. When we are making c equal, we shouldn't be altering b. And then whole problem converts into single variable. From that you can find out that variable, my friends, okay, from given information, and then find out b share. Hope this is clear. Thank you.